Hello, data warriors. Welcome to Rax Technologies. So, the concept which we are going to discuss today in Power BI is how to use drill through in Power BI. So, basically, there's a requirement from client to see the data from summarized data till individual records, that is, level of detail records view. So, here, all regions specifies the sum of sales by region in four regions like West, East, Central, and South. The individual region page displays the customer names, region, and sum of sales in the table format. So basically, this is a summarized, this is a detailed view, okay? And then in all regions, we have summarized view. So the requirement here is to view the data from summarized data point to detailed view. So in this scenario, we basically use drill through in Power BI. Summarize data to individual record level view. So let's say if I right click on West, okay, I can see the option called drill through. When you hover over this, you can see individual region. So when you click on the individual region, you can see the region has been changed to West. Whereas if I go again and then click on South, right click in South, I can see the individual region and then region is South here. So basically, the this kind of view and this kind of requirement helps us to see the data without cluttering the home page. Let's say this is an all region page, right? Without cluttering, without making this page messy, we can see the individual records in a separate page. Okay, so let's discuss how can we achieve this in Power BI. Okay, I'm just using again a blank page here. So first step is to create a view region wise sales. Just click on region and then sales here. Just drag a bit to see the details here and let's enable the data points. Okay, just click on visualization, enable data points. I just wanted to increase the size of values just to see a clear way. Okay, 15. The first step is to create the summarized data. And then second step is to create individual record level data. So for individual record level, I want to see the customer names, their region, and their sales. Just click on sales here. And I would like to see in a table format. Again, increase the font size here just to have a clear views. Go to size and style and then values. Just keep it to 15 and then column headers as well 15. Okay, the main important step in this is to create a connection between this use case and then page one. That means create a connection between the summarized data west, east, central, south to the individual record level data. So in order to enable the drill through option, when you go here and right click, first you have to come to individual record level data, and then here you have to give a linking column. You have to give connecting column from the page you want to enable the drill through. How do you do that? There's a so basically, if you see the previous versions of Power BI, you can see the drill through option, which is already under the data or filters pane. But in this version, just go outside of your table and just click outside. You can see the format page information canvas setting. Okay, when you click the view, you can't see the format, the background information of this page, but outside of the view, you can see page information. Just go into page information. You can see the page type. Okay, standard tooltip drill through. Here we have to select drill through, and we have option of tooltip as well, which I will be covering in the later part of this course. So I've created a playlist of Power BI interview questions, real-time interview questions. You can check them out. Just select the drill through, and you have to select which column from drill through should happen. Let's say the region by sales, right? So let's select region in this add data. The moment you select the region in drill through from, you can see the arrow mark enabled. Okay, this specifies that there is a link between these two pages. Now, if you go into this page and just right click, or even if you hover over, right, you can see still the drill through. But if you right click in drill through, you can see the west, because I've just right clicked from west region. If I want to see the south region details, come here and right click and select drill through the page name, you can see the region by sales in south. Okay. So this is how we achieve drill through concept in Power BI. Just remember that you have to enable the column where you want to start drill through. That you have to give it in the level of details page. Thank you.